Welcome to the Science Hub. Today we are going to learn about the chemistry. What is chemistry? How would you define chemistry? Let's see. Chemistry is defined as a branch of science which deals with the study of matter, composition of matter, structure of matter, physical and chemical properties of matter. Now, first of all, we see that what is a matter? Anything which have mass and occupies space is called matter. It's meant everything that have mass will definitely occupy some space. There are following types of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Now, what is the composition of matter? Matter is composed of atoms, and then atoms are further composed of two types of particles. Fundamental particles include electron having negative charge, proton having positive charge, and neutron having no charge. Whereas subatomic particles are more than 100 and are of different kinds. The structure of solids at molecular level is highly compact and closely packed, whereas the atoms and molecules of liquids are less tightly bound and compact as compared to solids. On the flip side, the molecules of gases are randomly attached through weak intermolecular forces. Physical properties of matter includes temporary change or the physical characteristics of matter, for example, color, smell, weight, density, and volume, etc. Whereas the chemical properties involves permanent change, for example, burning of a substance and different kinds of chemical reactions. For example, reaction between hydrogen and oxygen in 2:1 yields water.